I don't care where you're from, what is your nationality or what is your religion, but if you cannot say free Palestine, I'm blocking you. You do not deserve to have platform. People are dying, they're being slaughtered, they're being murdered. Yesterday they delivered baby through C-section from beheaded woman. And you're scared to say free Palestine because you're gonna lose followers? What kind of person you are? You supporting genocide. If you're not against genocide, you supporting genocide. And if you're Muslim and you cannot say free Palestine, you should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. I have no respect for you. Because what is the point of having a platform if you cannot say this? This is like bare minimum. This is like bare minimum to talk about this.